Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving questions on quantitative aptitude topic LCM. All the topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for many competitive exams like SSC CGL, RRB, Bank PO, Railways and many government job exams and job interviews. These topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for many entrance exams like GRE, CAT, SAT, ACT, GMAT and many more. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. In this video, we are solving questions on application of LCM on frequency based questions. Our question is, how often 6 bells toll together in 2 hours if they start together and toll at intervals 4, 5, 6, 8, 12 and 15 seconds respectively. The given options are option A 120, option B 60, option C 61, option D 75. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We have to find the LCM of 4, 5, 6, 8, 12 and 15. On observing these numbers, 4 is already included in 8, 5 is already included in 15 and 6 is already included in 12. So we have just to find the LCM of 8, 12 and 15. That will be the LCM of all these numbers. So we write the number 8, 12 and 15 and we find the LCM by common division method. We divide these numbers by 4. 4 divides 8 for 2 times and 12 for 3 times, and we write 15 as it is not divisible by 4. Now we divide these numbers by 3. We write 2 as it is. 3 divides 3 for 1 time and 3 divides 15 for 5 times. Now the LCM is product of all these numbers. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30 and 30 times 4 is 120 and LCM is 120 and this LCM 120 is 120 seconds. It means that all these bells will toll together after every 120 seconds and 120 seconds is equal to 2 minutes. So these bells will toll together after every 2 minutes. Now we have to find how many times these bells will toll together in 2 hours. So 2 hours is 120 minutes and 120 minutes divided by 2 minutes equal to 60 times. So these bells will toll together for 60 times in 2 hours, but it had started together at the starting time. So including that one of starting time, it tolls together for 60 plus 1 equal to 61 times. And from the given options, our answer is option C 61 times. This includes the starting time when they toll together. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, the traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 36, 60 and 96 seconds. If they all change simultaneously at 9:30 hours, then at what time they will again change together? The given options are option A 9:54:00 hours, option B 9:48:30 hours, option C 9:45:15 hours, option D 9:42:45 hours. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. In this question, we have to first find the LCM of 36, 60 and 96 seconds. So we write all these numbers 36, 60 and 96. And we find the LCM by common division method. We divide these numbers by 12 as 12 is common in all these numbers. 12 divides 36 for 3 times, 60 for 5 times and 96 for 8 times. And now there is no common number in between 3, 5 and 8. So our LCM is 12 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 times 3 is 120 and 120 times 12 is 1440. Therefore, LCM equal to 1440 seconds and this is equal to 24 minutes. Now the time when they changed together was 9:30:00 hours. Now we have to add 24 minutes to it. So we add 24:00 minutes. So this is equal to 00 seconds. 30 plus 24 minutes is 54 minutes and 9 hours we write as it is. So they will change together again at 9 hours 54 minutes. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 9 hours 54 minutes. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, 3 men start together in the same direction in a circular path of circumference 9 km. Their speeds are 3 km per hour, 4.5 km per hour and 6 km per hour respectively. After what time they all will meet again at the starting point? The given options are option A 4 hours, option B 5 hours, option C 6 hours, option D 3 hours. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We have to first find the time taken by each person in completing one circle or the one round of a circular path of 9 km. So we divide the distance 9 km by their speeds. The first person completes one circle with the speed of 3 km per hour. So we divide 9 by 3. The second person completes one circle in 4.5 km per hour. So we divide 9 by 4.5. And the third person completes one circle in 6 km per hour. So we divide 9 by 6. So this is equal to 3 divides 9 for 3 times. So first person completes one circle in 3 hours. The second person completes the circle in 9 divided by 4.5 equal to 2 hours. And 9 divided by 6 is 3 upon 2 or 1.5 hours. So the LCM of 3, 2 and 1.5. 1.5 is already included in 3. So we have to find the LCM of 3 and 2. And the LCM of 3 and 2 comes out to be 6 hours. It means that they will again be meeting together at the starting point after 6 hours. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 6 hours. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, 5 bells begin to toll together and they toll at an interval of 32, 40, 56, 72 and 96 seconds respectively. After what time in minutes they all will again toll together? The given options are option A 168, option B 144, option C 160, option D 184. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We have to first find the LCM of 32, 40, 56, 72 and 96 seconds. On observing these numbers, 32 times 3 is 96. So 32 is already included in 96, and now we will find the LCM of 40, 56, 72 and 96. 40, 56, 72, 96. On observing these numbers, 8 is common in all these numbers, so we divide these numbers by 8. 8 divides 40 for 5 times, 56 for 7 times, 72 for 9 times and 96 for 12 times. On observing these numbers, 9 and 12 has common 3 in it, so we divide again it by 3. We write 5 as it is, we write 7 as it is, as both the numbers are not divisible by 3. 3 divides 9 for 3 times and 3 divides 12 for 4 times. Now we multiply all these numbers. LCM equal to 8 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 5 is 120. 120 times 3 is 360. 360 times 4 is 1440. And we have to multiply 1440 by 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 4 is 28. We write 8 and carry 2. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10. So this is equal to 10,080 seconds. Now we have to convert these seconds into minutes. So we divide 10,080 by 60. We cancel the 0 of numerator by 0 of denominator. 6 divides 1008. 6 times 1 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 6 times 6 is 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. We carry 8. 6 times 8 is 48. So this is equal to 168 minutes. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 168 minutes. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, 4 bells begin to toll together. They toll respectively at an interval of 4, 6, 8 and 10 seconds. How many times they all will toll together in 3 hours? The given options are option A 101, option B 91, option C 61, option D 72. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We have to first find the LCM of 4, 6, 8 and 10. 4 is already included in 8, so we'll find the LCM of 6, 8 and 10. We find the LCM by common division method. 2 divides all these three numbers. 2 divides 6 for 3 times, 8 for 4 times, and 10 for 5 times. So the LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. This is equal to 120 seconds. Now we have to find that how many times they talk together in 3 hours. So we first convert the 3 hours into seconds. So 3 multiplied by 60 is converting into minutes, multiplied by 60 is converting into seconds, divided by 120 seconds, which is the LCM of 4, 6, 8 and 10. 60 divides 120 for 2 times and 2 divides 60 for 30 times, and this is equal to 30 multiplied by 3 is 90 times. Now we add 1 to it, which is the tolling together at the starting time. So this comes out to be 90 plus 1 equal to 91 times. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 91 times. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, 3 consecutive traffic lights change respectively after every 30, 45 and 75 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 8.30.15 hours, it means that 8 hours 30 minutes and 15 seconds. Then at what time they will change again together? The given options are option A, 8 hour 35 minutes 30 seconds. Option B, 8 hour 45 minutes 15 seconds. Option C, 8 hour 37 minutes 45 seconds. Option D, 8 hours 40 minutes 10 seconds. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We have to first find the LCM of 30, 45 and 75 seconds. 30, 45 and 75. We find the LCM by common division method. 15 is common to all these numbers, so we divide it by 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is 45. 15 times 5 is 75. Now the numbers 2, 3 and 5 don't have any common divisor. So we take the LCM. LCM equal to 15 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 15 times 2 is 30. 30 times 3 is 90. 90 times 5 is 450. So this is 450 seconds. Now we convert these 450 seconds into minutes. 450 divided by 60. 60 times 7 is 420. 450 minus 420 is 30. So this is equal to 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Now we add this to our starting time. Our starting time was 8 hour 30 minutes and 15 seconds. Now we add these 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 plus 30 is 45. 30 plus 7 is 37 and 8 as it is. So this is 8 hours 37 minutes and 45 seconds. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 8 hours 37 minutes 45 seconds. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, 3 men start walking together in the same direction in a circular path they complete one round in 38.5 seconds, 30 and 1 upon 3 seconds, and 28 and 3 upon 5 seconds, respectively. After what time they all will meet again at the starting point? The given options are option A, 15 minute 45 seconds, option B, 12 minute 32 seconds, option C, 8 minute 21 seconds, option D, 16 minute 41 seconds. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We have to find the LCM of 38.5 seconds, 30 and 1 upon 3 seconds, and 28 and 3 upon 5 seconds. And this is equal to 38 whole and 1 upon 2 is 77 upon 2. 30 whole and 1 upon 3 is 91 upon 3. And 28 whole and 3 upon 5 is 143 upon 5. The LCM equal to LCM of numerator, I am writing n for numerator, upon H.C.F of denominator, I am writing d for denominator. Now we have to find the LCM of 77, 91 and 143. We divide these numbers by 7. 7 divides 77 for 11 times, 91 for 13 times, and we carry 143 as it is. Now we divide it by 11. 11 divides 11 for 1 time. We write 13 as it is, as it's not divisible by 11. And 11 divides 143 for 13 times. Now we divide it by 13. We write 1 as it is. 13 divides 13 for 1 time and 13 divides 13 for 1 time. So our LCM is 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13, and this is equal to 1001. And H.C.F of denominator, which is 2, 3 and 5, and these 3 are prime numbers, so their H.C.F will be 1. So our LCM of these fractional numbers is 1001 seconds, and we convert this 1001 seconds into minutes and seconds. So we divide 1001 by 60. 60 divides 100 for 1 time. 100 minus 60 is 40. We carry 1. 60 divides for 6 times. 60 times 6 is 360. 401 minus 360 is 41. So this is equal to 16 minutes and 41 seconds. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 16 minutes and 41 seconds. It means that the 3 men will meet again together at starting point after 16 minutes and 41 seconds. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, 3 consecutive traffic lights change respectively after every 72, 81 and 108 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 8:54:30 hours, it means that 8 hours 54 minutes and 30 seconds. Then at what time they all will change together again? The given options are option A, 8 hours 58 minutes 12 seconds, option B, 9 hours 10 minutes 45 seconds, Option C, 8 hours, 55 minutes, 48 seconds. Option D, 9 hours, 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We have to first find the LCM of 72, 81 and 108 seconds. So we write all these numbers 72, 81 and 108. On observing, we find that all these numbers are divisible by 9. 9 divides 72 for 8 times, 81 for 9 times and 108 for 12 times. Now we divide these numbers by 3. We write 8 as it is. 3 divides 9 for 3 times. 3 divides 12 for 4 times. Now we divide these numbers by 4. 4 divides 8 for 2 times. We write 3 as it is. And 4 divides 4 for 1 time. Now our LCM is multiplication of the numbers 9, 3, 4, 2, 3 and 1. So LCM will be 9 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So we multiply all these numbers. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 3 is 72. And 72 times 9 is 648. So LCM is 648 and this is 648 seconds. Now we convert it into minutes and seconds. We divide 648 by 60. So this is equal to 60 times 1 is 60. 64 minus 60 is 4. We carry 8. So it is 48. 60 doesn't divide 48. So we write 0. So this will be 10 minutes and 48 seconds. Now we add 10 minutes 48 seconds to the given time, which is 8 hours 54 minutes and 30 seconds. So adding 10 hours 48 seconds, we get 30 plus 48 is 78. So it will be 78 seconds. 78 seconds is 1 minute and 18 seconds. So we write 18 seconds here and carry 1 minute. We add 1 to 54, which is 55. 55 plus 10 is 65. 65 minutes is 1 hour and 5 minutes. So we write 5 minutes and carry 1 hour. Now we add 1 hour to 8 hours. So 8 plus 1 is 9 hours. So our time becomes 9 hours, 5 minutes and 18 seconds. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 9 hours, 5 minutes and 18 seconds. It means that all the traffic lights will change simultaneously together at 9 hours, 5 minutes and 18 seconds. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, 6 bells begin to toll together and they toll at an intervals of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18 seconds respectively. How many times they toll together in 1 hour? The given options are option A 8, option B 12, option C 20, option D 21. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. First we have to find the LCM of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. As 3 and 6 are included in 12 and 9 is included in 18. So we have to find the LCM of 12, 15 and 18. We find the LCM by common division method. We first divide it by 2. 2 divides 12 for 6 times. We write 15 as it is. And 2 divides 18 for 9 times. We divide these numbers by 3. 3 divides 6 for 2 times. 15 for 5 times. And 9 for 3 times. Now our LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. 60 times 3 is 180. So our LCM equal to 180 seconds. Now we have to find how many times these all 6 bells will toll together in 1 hour. So we convert 1 hour into seconds and divide it by 180. So 1 multiplied by 60 is 60 minutes. Multiplied by 60 is 60 seconds. So this is 1 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 seconds is 1 hour. We divide it by 180. 60 divides 180 for 3 times. 3 divides 60 for 20 times. So this is equal to 20. In 1 hour, they will toll together for 20 times, and we include 1 time, which is the starting time. At that time, all the bells toll together. So there will be 20 plus 1 equal to 21 times they are going to toll together in 1 hour. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 21 times. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, 5 watches are set to alarm after every 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1 and 1/4 hour, and 1.5 hours, respectively. If all the watches alarm together at 8 hours, then at what time they will alarm together again? Our options are option A, 18 hours and 30 minutes, option B, 21 hours and 50 minutes, option C, 23 hours, option D, 23 hours and 30 minutes. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. The watches are set to alarm after every 30 minutes. The next watch alarms after every 45 minutes. The third watch alarms after 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. The fourth watch alarms after 1 and 1/4 hour, which is 75 minutes. And the fifth watch alarms after 1.5 hours, which is 90 minutes. Now 30 minutes is already included in 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. 45 minutes is already included in 90 minutes, which is 1.5 hours. So we have to find the LCM of 60 minutes, 75 minutes, which is 1 and 1/4 hour, and 90 minutes, which is 1.5 hours. On observing these numbers 60, 75 and 90 are divisible by 15. So we divide these numbers by 15. 15 times 4 is 60. 15 times 5 is 75. 15 times 6 is 90. Two numbers 4 and 6 are still divisible by 2. So we divide it by 2. 2 divides 4 for 2 times. We write 5 as it is. 2 divides 6 for 3 times. Now our LCM is 15 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. We multiply all these numbers to find our LCM. 15 times 2 is 30. 30 times 2 is 60. 60 times 5 is 300. 300 times 3 is 900. So our LCM is 900 minutes. We convert 900 minutes into hours. On dividing it by 60, we get 15 hours. Our initial time was 8 hours. Now we add 15 hours to it. 8 plus 15 is 23 hours. It means that all the 5 watches will alarm together at 23 hours. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 23 hours. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, 4 artificial satellites complete one revolution in their respective orbits in 280, 385, 440 and 616 minutes. If at any instant all these satellites align in one line, then after how many minutes they will be in the same line again? The given options are option A 2365, option B 2805, option C 3080, option D 2970. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We have to find the LCM of 280, 385, 440 and 616. 3 numbers are divisible by 5. So we first divide it by 5. 5 divides 280 for 56 times. 5 divides 385 for 77 times. 5 divides 440 for 88 times. And we write 616 as it is, as it's not divisible by 5. On observing, 56, 88 and 616 are divisible by 8. So we divide it by 8. 8 divides 56 for 7 times. We write 77 as it is. 8 divides 88 for 11 times. And 8 divides 616 for 77 times. Now we divide these numbers by 7. 7 divides 7 for 1 time. 7 divides 77 for 11 times. We write 11 as it is. And again 7 divides 77 for 11 times. Now we divide these numbers by 11. We write 1 as it is. 11 divides 11 for 1 time. Again 11 divides 11 for 1 time. And 11 divides 11 for 1 time. Now our LCM equal to 5 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 times 7 is 280. And 280 times 11 is 3080. That is 3080. It means that after 3080 minutes, all the 4 satellites will align together in the same line as asked in the question. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 3080 minutes. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Please do a lot of practice and solve as many questions as possible of quantitative aptitude topics. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.